Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I have so many fun things to share with you guys, some new items too, and lots of new fall items. First, we're going to get through all the household stuff because I needed a ton of household stuff. So we're going to jump in with that stuff first. This is what I would consider the boring stuff, but we purchase every time. The bath tissue, I needed some Lime Away. I love this. Toilet cleaner, Palmolive, favorite dish soap ever. I needed some more fragrance booster, love it, done a full review. The Fresh and Clean laundry detergent pods, love these as well. There's 10 in here for $1, you really can't beat that. And I like to pair them with the booster because they don't really have a strong scent that linger on your laundry, but I like them. They do get the clothes clean. And I got some foil sheets. I did grab a microfiber duster, and I needed a new one of those. I got some Scrub Buddies. Apparently at my Dollar Tree they don't carry the 6-packs anymore. So I just got the nail guard sponges with the 2 in there. Needed some lighters. I got 2 AA batteries from Sunbeam and a AAA. Needed to stock back up on those. Moving on to more house stuff-ish. Cotton balls, always need these for makeup, nail polish, things like that. Also needed cotton rounds for makeup remover, and I got those there. I got some aspirins. Connor picked out Jurassic World Band-Aids. We needed some more of those. He also really likes these Placker Flossers, and I really like them because they're easy to use on his teeth. And they're the Smoothie Swirl, and he likes to pick out the different colors. You get 30 for $1. I did find this, and I thought this was a great find. 6 of these super soft 3-ply tissue packs for backpacks, purses, cars. You get the gist. I needed some razors, so I got some of my favorite Assured brand, the 5 ones. And these are 3 count in here, but I really like these. They don't cause me to get nicked or cut, and they give me a really nice, close, moisturizing shave. So I really like these razors and do recommend them. I picked up another one of the White Rain Kids Body Wash and Bubbles, the Pure Splash scent. I like this scent. It lingers on Connor's skin. You get 12 fluid ounces for $1. It suds like no other because it also is like for bubbles, but it works really good at getting them good and clean, and I just love that the scent lingers. Another body wash, I didn't need one, but I thought I would try it out, maybe do a review because I have the other scent of this as well, and this is the Mango Tango Daily Defense Body Wash. 18 fluid ounces in here, and it smells really good. It says it has pro vitamin B5. I don't know about any of that, but it also says it's nourishing, so we'll see. A couple really cool finds I found are the bath bombs, and this is the first time I've been able to find bath bombs at mine. They had the little individual ones too, but I didn't get any of those. These are 3 packs. I just purchased a 5-pack at Walmart for $3.50 for Connor. So overpriced. Anyways, I got the vanilla cream, which smells amazing through the packaging, and I got lavender and argan oil. So we're going to try those out. I thought this was a bomb deal to find. Like, this was such a great find. Some Connor stuff we got this for his kitchen. Has like some fried chicken in there, a ketchup bottle, some fries. Has like a soda in there, and I thought this was really cute. So he's got some hot dogs in there, and you get quite a few pieces for only $1. And he also got this little Grow dinosaur and like 2 little Lego set things. I also picked this up for him for pencils, scissors, crayons, whatever. It's kind of childlike size, and he can carry it with a handle. They had all the primary colors, so red, blue, yellow, and they had a green. And they might have had something else, but I just like yellow. I think Connor does too, so we got yellow. I did get him some of these Jot School scissors, and they have the blunt tip on them. You get 2 for $1, so I got the green and the purple pair, just so he can, you know, start to practice. He doesn't actually go to school until next year, but it's always good to be practicing and teaching and learning. Speaking of which, last last Dollar Tree trip, or the one before that, I got him some practice learning papers, or tablet, manuscript tablet, whatever you want to call it, and some pencils. And we're getting ready to learn how to write our name and our ABCs. And I just thought these cute pencil pet eraser toppers were so adorable. So you get snakes and monkeys, and there's like a elephant in there. Adorable. You get 10 of them. I thought that was so adorable for him. I did pick up a couple calendar planner kind of things. I got this student planner. I always like this style of planner. You can make your own kind of planner out of it. And I needed a new one, so I grabbed that one. They were pretty picked over, unfortunately. And I got the Wild and Free calendar. Needed me a new calendar. It does not start until next year, I believe. Maybe wrong. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm assuming it does though, because it's a 16-month calendar. But it has really cute pictures, and you can repurpose those. And I just really love that, and I like to have a calendar at my makeup table, so I got this one. They had a lot of this reverse sequence stuff. They even had the bins. And this one is so pretty. It's like a chameleon kind of effect. And you got pink underneath it. It really looks like mermaidish to me. These are the Cosmetic Bags. They had about 5 different kinds to choose from, I think. I could be wrong, but I grabbed 2 because I really like them, and I am going to use them for my purse. And then I got the white opalescent one. I don't know how well you can see that. And then the underbelly is like a silver. And then they also had the cute throw pillows. Now these are kind of tiny, but to pair with other throw pillows. But I picked the white one. It's gold, and you flip that side up, it's white, and it's actually going to go with what I have. The back is white, and it's a like soft plush. And then you got the reverse sequin, but for $1, honestly, you cannot beat that. And I think these would make nice, cute little gifts from the Dollar Tree. Moving on to the most exciting stuff, especially for me. Not only did I need lots of house stuff today, but I wanted to get some stuff, if they had the fall stuff, to snatch up whatever I wanted when they had it. And I'm going to be doing a DIY on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Closer to fall anyways. But right now, I'm getting my items ready for it. So I did pick up this really pretty chevron ribbon. And that's the wired ribbon. Well, I'm going to make a bow with that. I did pick up a really cute white pumpkin. They had tons of pumpkins. These are glass or ceramic. And I love this one. It's like a nail polish design on there. I don't know. It's really cool. They had a ton of different colors to choose from, a ton of different designs of pumpkins. I already have some pumpkins in my collection put away for fall, so I thought these would just make good additions. I did get a wreath mode, and I got these really cute fall magnets. Colin really likes playing with the magnets on the fridge, and I thought that these were totally cute for fall. I did pick up 2 bundles of flowers. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with them yet. These have like the burlap in them, so I thought those were super cute. They're kind of a creamy off-white color. Then I got these really pretty red kind of flowers. The magnets are like realistic kind of looking, but aren't they adorable? Oh, before I get into the last final fall items, I almost forgot this little e-circuit mini powered speaker. It takes 2 AAA batteries, and it just looks like that. So I thought we would try that out because we use our tablets often and our little MP3 player thing sometimes, just, you know, for music. So I thought we would try that. I almost forgot this little guy, and sorry, but I know you can hear the air conditioner now. It's hot in here. They did have the Disney Tsum Tsums at the Dollar Tree. They had a ton of them. Connor was only interested in Tigger. Honestly, I kind of don't blame him. This one and Eeyore, but he only got Tigger. And I probably should have snatched like 10 of them up for Christmas for like you know, gifts that we have to buy also for others. And I just thought these were the cutest things. Now as for fall stuff, I got a couple of these guys last year, and I thought that I would purchase one more because if I put him on the wreath, you know, I might want an extra one. So, or for decoration or whatever, but I got him. I got this foam scatter. It's a 20 count. And I saw this at the last minute. We were getting ready to check out and I grabbed it. I don't know if I will use it for the wreath or use it for a later DIY, so stay tuned. I picked this up. I thought this was so cute, and it just kind of dangles in the middle there. Happy Harvest. They had a ton of different signs, but I really loved this one. I got these cute little Scarecrow Picks. Once again, not entirely sure what I'm going to do with them. I did get a green foam pumpkin and a orange reddish kind of squash gourd there. And then I got these pumpkin clips, which I thought were kind of neat. But yeah, that's all for my haul. I thought it was a pretty big one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely hopefully makes you want to go out and start shopping for fall. I was so excited to find as many items as I did today. Normally my dollar store is not that great, I feel like. And yeah, hopefully you will stay tuned for some DIYs and other Dollar Tree videos. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and thumbs up the video if you haven't already.